What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing today? This is your boy Christian Israel, and you are tuned into Christ and Crypto in the Morning. This section specifically is the daily topics, guys, and I'm going to switch up how we do it. I think from now when we open the show, I am going to do the topics first, followed by the TA. That gives some people some time to get in here and get a chance to figure out what TA they want, and then by the time we're done with the daily topics, we get into the TA for everybody. And that gives us some time to not rush through the news, because I want to jump through the news, and I think that's very, very, very important. So since the fact that you are here with me on Monday, May 23rd, 9 a.m. in the morning at Christ in Crypto, I appreciate you. For you guys that don't know, my name is Christian Israel, and please hit that social media thing, do that like button, and let's jump into some of the immediate news off the bat. And one of those is, and I guess I'm not even going to go into a paid prescription for whatever trust nodes are, but I can tell you this. GameStop launches Ethereum wallet. Now, since I didn't actually see, and it says with Loopring. It says with Loopring, which is pretty cool. So we're going to jump in on CoinDesk, because CoinDesk is going to give us that free news article here. And it says here, GameStop unveils crypto and NFT wallets as shares jump 3% this morning. I know we're jumping a little bit and see a little bit of the Wall Street, because I think it's important to pay attention to what's going on in the regular market right now. But for you to know, GameStop, NFTs, and now its own Ethereum wallet on Loopring. So we'll see. We know there's a lot of stuff going on Ethereum. I'm not sure. I am not the biggest bull on Ethereum products in general. Not my thing. But we will see how this works out. People are still putting their eggs in the Ethereum basket. So the question for me, and I pose to you, is Ethereum going to be the reason all these companies succeed? Or is Ethereum going to be the reason all these companies end up failing? Right? And I put that out there mainly because everybody's integrating themselves with wallets and layer 2 protocols, right? With using layer 1 is Ethereum. So we're going to see how this works. You know, I feel the same way about Bitcoin and all these companies intertwining themselves inside of Bitcoin. We'll see how this works, because I was watching this morning, World Economic Forum, listening to interviews at Davos this morning. And one of the persons said, you know, there's 19,000 cryptos and 99.9% of them are junk, which we all know. Then he made a comment. He says, how are we supposed to know what's going to be around? Because someone's like, well, Bitcoin and Ethereum. He said, you know, that's possible. But here's the catch. AOL was the dominant of its time, right? And America Online, and that's a dead company now. And the other thing he said was Amazon and Google did not exist at its height that it was, or pets.com, right? These things that people thought was going to be fire, or things that people thought would fail, you know, like selling only books or selling only music on a phone or an iPod, right? Like, those things ended up actually doing what it's supposed to do and making people money and expanding and being one of the biggest companies in the world. So Bitcoin is not a physical company, so we'll see how that works. Ethereum is a company in the consensus, right, foundation. So we'll see how that intertwines with them. So good luck to GameStop and all the GameStop Diamond Eye holders, squeeze long people. Good luck to you and your Ethereum wallets and NFTs. I hope that it works out for you. Speaking of stocks, overall today, the stocks opened the week higher as they close towards a near bear market. So if you guys know, an actual bear market is considered 20% from the top. Now, Bitcoin is like 50-something% from the top, right? XRP is still in a bear market, as it is a whole bunch from its all-time high. I don't want to go into that right now. It hurts my heart. But that's what we are looking at. A volatile trading session on Friday while I was on the road. I don't believe anything was made. I'm still not sold on the pump over the weekend. We'll go over that in TA and see. Either I am completely insane and all this is going to pump to oblivion this week and completely make me sad, or there's one more downside. So we'll see, because stocks are slightly up this morning, I believe. Yeah. Let me look. The S&P is up 0.42%. Dow Jones up 0.87% right now. As I look over to the left, you can see the screen behind me. I've got Squat Box on. So we'll see how that goes. The individual stock shares of VMware, which I've heard a lot about over the weekend as well, jumped 18%. And people are worried about what VMware is. And my understanding, I'm not the smartest person about VMware, but if we go to the profile here and look at it, are you going to let me look at the profile? Oh, you're not going to let me do that today? Okay, just took a second. All right. Let's see here. This is, what is VMware? Off the bat. I know it's some kind of tech, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. There was a lot of people talking about that over the weekend in the finance world about VMware. So while we're here, if you guys get a chance, good morning, Lee Lord, good morning, Bullish as well. Welcome. Look that up for me. Okay. Speaking of, let's go into crypto because people are bullish. Let's all get up right now. And here's one of those things that got people really bullish is longs have doubled. Now, what does this mean? So we have shorts and longs, right? If you long something, that's like you buy it, you're betting on it for it to go up. If you short something, you're betting for it to go down. Calls versus puts, same kind of thing in options, right? However, in crypto, we get this thing we call get front run, where all the money knows exactly what the move's going to be before the move happens, and then they execute the move, and then if you're a retail investor, you're on the backside of that move, normally late. This thing here saying on the weekly scale that longs are up towards $85,000 makes me feel some type of way. Now, I'm going to go back and I need to go and look at charts, and I'm going to break this down tomorrow and really look at what's going on in the charts because 2.6 billion bets on up now, which make me feel like there's one more short. One more. And that's where I'm at. I am just not set like, you know what, everybody's like the bottom's in and we're here. You know what, we're still going to go. People are still, not everybody is broken. You got me? Not everybody is broken yet. I'm not broken, and I won't be broken unless XRP breaks below 20 cents. If XRP breaks below 20 cents, I might be broken because all structure will be broken there. And then I won't know what's going on. I'll be honest with you. And if anybody will tell you they know what's going on, specifically if Bitcoin breaks lower, right, than 25K, we won't know what's going on because that will kill all the charts, everybody's charts. We're looking as far as a bull run is concerned this year, right? As far as a bull run is concerned this year. So longs are up. We're going to pay attention to that. And this is why I think we're going to switch to doing the news first. We can go into the news and then go into some of the charting and then close out. Therefore, people that want to get the charts, you know, I know Rope-a-Dope is here on time, but he's normally a little late, right? Or Dragonfire Crypto is a little late sometimes. So we'll get those charts going after we get the news. Speaking of, Terra's implosion was kind of crazy, right? But now you got all these different stable coins that are going to pop up, which I believe is what's going to cause more issues. And if you believe stable coins are an issue, let me know in the comments. If you like stable coins, hit the like button. If you don't like stable coins, hit the like button 3 times. Just let me know. Pound it. Bang, bang, bang. It says a stable coin backed by cans of iced tea has been launched. Arizona Iced Tea has launched a stable coin. And it says satire or not. Satire or not. USDT T, a new stablecoin, has joined the gamut of stablecoins in the ecosystem. The stablecoin is backed by America's leading iced tea brand, Arizona Iced Tea, which sold consistently for 99 cents since 1996. So you're telling me that the stablecoins, guys, are set at 99 cents, and so is Arizona Tea, which is funny. So we will see how that works itself out. So I just wanted to play that with you, show that with you. Okay, so let's start a little bit more news here. Korea is issuing like a warning over Litecoin. Now, Charles Lee, I think his name was, right? In 2018, dumps all his Litecoin. Let me see. Is it Charles Lee? Charles Lee? Charlie Lee. Charlie Lee. Close. Charlie, Charles, right? So if you guys know that he dumped all of his Litecoin in 2017 because it was the top and he was smart and he knew it. However, that's the founder that dumped everything on everybody, Litecoin. So when you see crypto exchange issue warnings over Litecoin over confidential transactions, what's taken so long? This is my thought on it. What has taken so long? Litecoin to me is in the same ballpark as some other things. So I want to play this for you before we go over to the World Economic Forum. I want to play this for you. Are you ready? This blew my mind. Just listen. Just listen for a second.
We have sort of a something called a protocol Armageddon at the company. So a protocol Armageddon is it's a kill switch. So whenever we feel like we're no longer in a position to be able to best serve the community, we pull the trigger and 24 hours we're gone. We burn all of our assets, we cut all of our ties, and it's nothing. So that's just in case where things move a little bit faster than we're anticipating.
Yeah, you're going to listen to that again.
We have sort of a something called a protocol Armageddon at the company. So a protocol Armageddon is it's a kill switch. So whenever we feel like we're no longer in a position to be able to best serve the community, we pull the trigger and 24 hours we're gone. We burn all of our assets, we cut all of our
ties. The guy
ties,
interview, how are you not saying scam?
So that's just in case where things move a little bit faster than we're anticipating.
He just told you that they're going to scam you. He just said it. There's a kill switch. So the question is, does crypto in itself have a kill switch? This guy never thought these things would get out here, right? And he ran his mouth just like all the Ethereum people and a lot of people from a lot of other projects. In fact, I even had somebody on this that I've been rug pulled. I have been rug pulled, right? I have been rug pulled. I had an investor on here from Safe Haven, right? And they rug pulled. They did well. They put money into their campaign, and then when it was time to really get going, they rug pulled. It is what it is. They get a lot. Now, Safe Haven wasn't at this level, okay? Good morning, Alcoy. Good to see you, brother or sister. I'm assuming I don't know who you are, but I'm going to say greetings to you. Welcome to the channel. My thing is here, does crypto have a complete kill switch? That's what we need to know. Because this guy said it out loud in the interview, was just laughing and laughing and laughing. And I wonder, right? Like, listen one more time. I mean, just listen.
We have sort of a something called a protocol Armageddon at the company. So a protocol Armageddon is it's a kill switch. So whenever we feel like we're no longer in a position to be able to best serve the community, we pull the trigger and 24 hours we're gone. We burn all of our assets, we cut all of our ties, and it's nothing. So that's just in case where things move a little bit faster than we're anticipating. We have...
What does it mean by faster than they're anticipating? Like, what is that supposed to mean? And that's what catches my brain. Not if we were hacked. Not if, we catch the top. But if things move faster than they anticipated. What does that mean? That's my curiosity. He cut that. So, I play that for you. I just want to see what you may or may not think about that. And I don't know. Things happen, boy, don't they? Not if things happen. Okay, so yeah, Lee, Safe Haven. You remember that? Complete rug pull. And in fact, on the side of Twitter right now, that's Safe Moon. But man, complete rug pull. Not happy about that. But that's why the guys we had interviewed on the show, right, from Carbon 12 and Gridiron and Hologram with the AR social media platform, and then the Carbon 12 for the cryptocurrency for churches staying out of the system. That's why I say we got to do our research. We got to really look into some of these. And I love those guys, and from what I understand, they seem great. But I always tell people to do their own research, and they don't have anything for you to invest in on the public side. It's all private right now. But I mean, it's important to pay attention to what people say. And one of the people saying something right now is Sheila Warren, the CEO of Crypto Council for Innovation. And she shares her insights in this interview that she had here in Davos. And she says, I'm finding that old acquaintances, some of the folks that we know from the business side, from the public sector, are just thrilled. And everybody wants to talk about blockchain and crypto. Even given recent developments, I feel very positive because I feel like we are seeing again a contraction that's going to mean that very serious people remain in this space. We want people that are serious about the opportunity and the potential this technology and innovation hold. So it's important to know that still the top people in the world are okay with crypto. You just got to be careful. You got to be careful. That's my thought process here for you today. Is you gotta be careful. And let's see why we're here. Let's see if there's any quick news that's jumped off. Just to see. Let's check out. You know what? Here we go. There's a couple more here. Let's look at this one real quick. Last two more. World Economic Forum is taken over by crypto firms promoting rapid adoption. So that's adding on to what we just heard. And I heard there's a lot of crypto things going on there. And, you know, Klaus Schwab just said they're controlling the world and they're building the future. I decided, you know what? I changed my mind just now. Just now, I decided I'm going to play that clip for you because I can't quote somebody. And not play the clip for you because then I'm just not, I'm not holding it right. So let's go ahead and listen to this guy right here.
Let's also be clear. The future is not just happening. The future is built by us, by a powerful community as you here in this room. We have the means to improve the states of the world, but two conditions are necessary. The first one is that we act all as stakeholders of larger communities, that we serve not our only self-interests, but we serve the community. That's what we call stakeholder responsibility. And second, that we collaborate. And this is the reason why you find many opportunities here during the meeting to engage into very action and impact-oriented initiatives to make progress related to specific issues on the
progress related to specific issues. This guy is straight out of James Bond villain. I am telling you, a straight villain from James Bond. They say they are building the future. Where are you going to be? Where are you going to be? How are you going to take advantage? They're dumping on us right now in the market, crushing us in the market, hurting us in the market. It does not mean that now is the time to give up. And we're going to jump into that in the next section in long sum, short sum. I saw that the audio is low, Bullish. I turned it up. It's low in general in that. I turned it all the way up here and on the computer just now. Here's what I'll do for you, okay? I'm going to take this real quick and I'm going to drop that link for you in the... I'm going to drop that link for you here in the chat because that's a little low. Now, the question is my audio low that you can hear me or is it just the video? Here's the video real quick so you guys can see it. There's that status, okay? So hopefully that helps a little bit and maybe the audio is not so low. I've tried to turn it up. I don't want to blast your ears out. So if that seems a little low, let me know and I'll turn it up for moving on, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get out of this section. That is the end of this section. Today is just the basic news, but my big thing is Davos is happening right now. The markets are swish-swashy, okay? And we're going to see what's going on. But really, they're discussing right now what to do with our money in Davos. What to do with our money in Davos. What are you doing with yours? This is your boy, Christian Israel. You are tuned into Christ and Crypto in the Morning. This is the daily section topic. We look at the market from a news perspective on this Monday morning, May 23rd, 9 a.m., bright and early. I appreciate you being here with me. Please make sure you do that social media thing, and don't forget to step in and check out Long Sum, Short Sum in our next section. In the meantime, guys, Daily Topics is out. Social media thing, you know what to do. Later, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and do the thing that people do on social media. At Twitter, at TikTok, New Creation Capital. Let us know, guys. Thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Later, guys.